And what's up, YouTube land? It's your boy Jason with the Jam Sessions, and I am here today to do a tutorial actually on how to use a DSLR or mirrorless camera as your camera for FaceTime. So let's get right into it. All you need to do this is your laptop or your computer, a camera, and a capture card. So as you can see, I actually already have it hooked up. So what I did was connect the HDMI cable from my camera to the capture card, and then I have a USB-C to USB connection that I've connected to my computer, and now I should be able to be good to go. Okay, so after you have everything connected, what you want to do then is go to FaceTime. You want to pull up your FaceTime, it'll come up, and as you can see, it'll be connected to your terrible built-in webcam. What you then want to do is go up here to video. You want to scroll down to camera. You see camera, right now it's on FaceTime HD. You want to change that to my capture card is the Camlink 4K. I'll change it to the Camlink 4K, and bam, there you have it. Now I'm connected to FaceTime, and I can FaceTime anyone that I want to using my actual mirrorless camera or your DSLR. In my case, I have the Sony a7 III as my camera so that you can get this good, great image. Well, as you can see, in just a few steps, you will be able to FaceTime using your DSLR or mirrorless camera. Hopefully this video was helpful. If so, please consider sharing, and commenting, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.